Ready to escape the world? The Sony WH-1000XM5 noise-canceling headphones are here to transform your listening experience. These aren't just good. They offer industry-leading noise cancellation, making your daily commute or focus time truly silent. Whether it's airplane engines or office chatter, the XM5s create a personal oasis of pure audio bliss. And you can enjoy that serenity for ages, thanks to an incredible 30-hour battery life on a single charge. That's enough power for multiple long flights or weeks of daily use, without constantly scrambling for a charger. What truly sets these apart is the seamless multipoint connection, allowing you to switch between two devices effortlessly. Imagine taking a call on your phone and then instantly jumping back to music on your laptop. It's pure convenience. If you're serious about premium sound and quiet, you can find the best deal on these incredible headphones via the Amazon link in my description. These are arguably the best electronics for immersive audio in 2025, perfect for students, travelers, or anyone needing ultimate focus. Seriously, for unparalleled noise cancellation, marathon battery life, and smart connectivity, the Sony WH-1000XM5s are an absolute must-buy.